Hello guys, so today, I will guide you through on how to make a thumbnail in Canva. So let's start the video by going to a website you like, and search Canva in search bar. Click the first link. After coming to the Canva app, we need to make an artboard or a thumbnail layer. Click Create. Go to Custom Size. And in the custom size, the width size is 1280 by 720 height, and make sure it is pixel. And click Create New Design. Alright, here is the thumbnail layer. Now, I will add a background color. Click the background and click the color palette circle. So in my case, I choose green. And now let's add a text by clicking the text icon on the left side. Add text. So I will edit the text how to make a thumbnail for this video. Make the text bold by clicking the bold icon. Add a text color. And by clicking the Canva Sans option, you can find fonts to add to your text. By clicking Effects, you can choose Drop Shadow Outline and many more effects for your texts. So I will add an outline to the text to make it more outstand. And now let's add some elements to the thumbnail. I'm searching a person to add to the thumbnail, and there are variety of designs you can choose. Alright, I will choose this man and adjust him to the picture I liked. As you guys can see the thumbnail coming together, but there's something missing. Let's add some more things to make it more good. Right here, let's add a logo of Canva because we making a thumbnail in Canva. Alright, let's add an arrow to make it more aesthetic. And here it's done. As you guys can see, it's easy to make a thumbnail in Canva. Let's add a rectangle to the background to make it more nice. By clicking Ctrl and bracket hold together, you guys can make the layers adjustable. So in my case, I'm making this white rectangle backwards. And there you go guys, you can save this thumbnail by clicking share in the right upper corner. And click download. There you go guys, make sure you all subscribe to my channel. So now I'm in ChatGPT and I said to ChatGPT, so I created a video of how to make a thumbnail using Canva. Make me a thumbnail of that, it need to be high quality and good visuals. And hey race what I created, and hey race what AI created. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video.